Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set the organization-wide defaults or sharing default settings in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to go to our setup and then we need just to search for our OWD or the organization-wide or org-wide defaults. So from here, we go to setup and after that, we need just to search for our sharing settings. So I'm just going to type sharing settings. And from here, we need to go and search for our organization-wide defaults. So as you can see, you can disable them. And here you can manage all the sharing settings for all your objects. So here, those are the objects that we have. And here we can find the grant access using hierarchies. So basically, from here, you can just edit any object. So from here, I'm going to the object for lead, for example. In here, you can give it the default external access. And of course, leads should be externally private, but you can have them for your own internal access. So either you can make for example, object to be only a read only. So you can choose read public read only, or you can choose to be private totally, so you can only uh, the manager or sys administration to see them, etc. So basically from here you can start changing all the permissions or the accesses from the sharing settings from here, and when you finish you will need just to save the settings, and after that you have set up your sharing setting. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.